A cheerful morning, students. Today we will revise chapter number 11, that is conserving our resources. So, first of all, we will do the meaning of the chapter. The meaning of the chapter is the act of protecting the sources present in nature which are used to satisfy the needs of human beings is called conserving our resources. Now students, let's move to the bookwork of this chapter. Okay, so here is true false are there. Okay, so first true false is water pollution leads to climate change. That is false, because air pollution leads to climate change. Okay, next is deforestation often leads to landslides. Deforestation means cutting down of trees, and landslide means the sudden fall of mass of earth, rocks, etc. down the side of a mountain, that is called the landslide. Okay, so that is why deforestation often leads to landslides. It is true. Next is forest fire is a major cause of reforestation. That is false, because forest fire is a major cause of deforestation, and here it is given reforestation. Reforestation means planting of new trees, and deforestation means cutting down of trees. Okay, that is why it is false. Okay, next is wind is an example of conventional energy resource. That is false, because wind is an example of a non-conventional source of energy. Okay, so here I will tell you. Conventional energy sources are that type of sources which is fixed in nature, like oil, gas and coal, and they are non-renewable in nature. Okay, but non-conventional resources are renewable in nature, like solar energy, wind energy. Okay, so this is the difference between conventional and non-conventional energy sources. So wind is an example of non-conventional resources, not conventional sources of energy. Okay, that is why it is false. Next is all energy resource are non-renewable in nature. That is false, because some sources of energy are renewable, while some are non-renewable in nature. So that is why it is false. Okay, now students, let's move to the question answer part. First is define the following. Okay, so first is climate change. Answer is it is a change in usual climate pattern caused by increased level of carbon dioxide, that is called climate change. So students, here you can see the picture. Okay, so this you can see there are lots of pollution is there, air pollution is there, because of that there is a climatic change is there. Okay, so climate change means change in weather. Climate change is due to nature, but today's climate change is happening because of humans. Okay, now next is second question is industrial waste. It is the waste that is generated due to industrial work. Okay, so many of the industries are there. During the work, they are generated lots of wastage. They are producing lots of wastage. Here you can see in this picture. So this is a industry, this is a factory. Okay, so there you can see from the pipes also there are so much wastage is there here. much wastage which is coming out from the factories, and here that lots of air pollution is there which is created by the factory. Okay, so we can see that it is the waste that is generated due to industrial work. Okay. Next is soil erosion, the gradual wearing away of soil by natural agents like wind and water, that is called soil erosion. So here students, you can see two pictures are there. Okay, that first picture, that is soil erosion which is done by the water, and second picture is there that soil erosion is done by the wind. Okay, so these are the natural agents by the soil erosion is done. Okay students, now next is afforestation. Afforestation means planting of trees. Okay, the act of creating new forest in an area which does not have any forest, that is called the afforestation. So students, here you can see there new plants are planted and their forest is made. Okay, now students, move to the short question answers. First question is, what are the causes of water shortage? Okay, so answer is, the causes of water shortage are global warming, pollution, and wastage of water. Okay, so because of these reasons, their water shortage is there. These are the main reasons, because of that water shortage is there. Now question number 2, what are the ill effects of soil erosion? Ill effects means harmful effects of the soil erosion. Okay, answer is, soil erosion makes the soil infertile and affect agriculture. Okay, so their infertile means not able to grow strong healthy plants, and agriculture means keeping animals and growing crops for food. Okay, so next question is, what are any two steps that can be taken to conserve soil? How can we conserve the soil? Which are the two steps we should take? Answer is, first point is, we should plant more trees. So students, we should plant more and more trees so that we can conserve the soil, we can save the soil. Second is, domestic and industrial waste should be disposed of properly. Okay, the waste which we are creating at home, the wastage which is created by the industries, okay, if we will dispose of it properly, then we can conserve the soil. Now next is, what is global warming? So students, here you can see the picture of global warming. The right hand side you can see there are lots of pollution is there. Okay, forest fire is there. Okay, so due to that that level of the carbon dioxide is increased in the atmosphere. Okay, so that is why global warming is there. So we can say an increase in the temperature of the Earth's atmosphere due to the increased level of carbon dioxide is called the global warming. Okay students, so today we have revised the book work also and question answers also. Okay, today you will revise it. Thank you so much.